All right, guys, 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500, 56,000 miles on it. You get an odd knocking noise at a consistent speed, not necessarily a certain mile per hour, but it starts knocking up in the front right. I believe it's down into the suspension. It's not in the engine compartment. No service engine soon light comes on. I've run a diagnostic, and I've checked down in the wheel well. Hear that? And I've checked down in the wheel well, and I've checked all the components, the spring, caliper, wishbone suspension, bushings. So you hear that, and as soon as I barely touch the accelerator, it goes away. Bizarre. It doesn't sound internal. Any suggestions?